How will you select gravity disc? Selecting the correct gravity disc is one of the most critical steps in setting up a purifier. If the disc is incorrectly sized, the purifier will either overflow oil or fail to remove water properly. To select the correct gravity disc, follow these steps. Gather the required data. You cannot select a disc without knowing the specific properties of the oil you are treating. You need density, specific gravity, of the oil, usually found on the bunker delivery note, BDN, typically measured at 15 degrees Celsius. Separation temperature, the temperature at which you intend to run the purifier, example, 98 degrees Celsius for HFO or 40-50 degrees C for DO. Desired throughput, the feed rate, meter cube per hour, at which the purifier will operate. Use the Nomogram selection chart. Every manufacturer, Mitsubishi, Alfa Laval, etc., provides a nomogram in the manual. This is a graphical chart used to find the correct inner diameter of the disc. Step A. Find the oil's density at 15 degrees C on the chart. Step B. Follow the line to the corresponding separation temperature. This gives you the density at separation temperature. Step C. Draw a line through your required feed rate to the gravity disc diameter scale. Step D. The point where the line intersects the scale tells you the required inner diameter, ID, in millimeters. Select the closest match. The nomogram will give you a specific number, example, 74 millimeters. You then go to the gravity disc box on the ship and select the disc that is closest to that measurement. If the exact size isn't available, always choose a slightly smaller diameter disc. A smaller disc pushes the interface inward, safer, whereas a larger disc risks breaking the water seal and causing an overflow. Direct answer to surveyor. Sir, to select the gravity disc, I first need to know the density of the oil at 15 degrees Celsius, the purification temperature, and the flow rate. I will use the manufacturer's nomogram provided in the manual. I'll plot the density and temperature to find the actual density at the processing temperature. Then, by aligning this with my throughput, the chart will indicate the required inner diameter of the disc. I will then pick the closest size from the spares. If the exact size is not available, I will select one size smaller to ensure the water seal remains intact.